Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the VidIQ Chrome extension for your YouTube channel. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. First of all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the pinned comment section below, which will redirect you to this page where you can sign up to get more views for YouTube with your Google account that you have signed up your YouTube channel with. Once you do that, it will redirect you to this page where this is going to be your dashboard that you have logged in for a YouTube channel with account with. Now to install the extension, all you have to do is go here and then search for Web Extension Store for Chrome. And then from here, it will send you to the Chrome Web Store. And then you're going to search for VidIQ. And it's going to be the very first result that is verified by vidiq.com. And then you're going to simply click to add to Chrome, add extension, and it will automatically add it right here. And now that's installed, it will say that installation is success. We are directing you to YouTube. And it will even show you an introduction video that you can watch to help you guide you through. And now you have the extension right here with all the options necessary logged into your YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.